You hear a lot of stories about Colombia, the good, the bad, and everything in between. I got the chance to go for 10 days, and this was my experience.
Welcome forever to my neighborhood. She's that prince of the Hollywood. This is no lie, man, it's true. You know what I mean? Take a video for the Instagram, for all people, for everyone. Tengo el estilo que se anda bajando, yo tengo el estilo que se anda perfecto. Yo sigo rapeando la calle del centro, no me tuve de poco le lento, buscando la peta, buscando la money. Yo tengo el estilo que se tengo fruta, que se disfruta, con la fruta, con la mano, con la batuta. Hey, welcome to Cartagena, freestyle on the ground en la escena. Así que lo hacemos, checa video con el Ponce. My name is Lil Ponce.
This trip has been so memorable for many reasons, but the main one is being able to see friends and family I hadn't seen in over 6 years. Also, along my trip, I met some awesome French and Irish people. Oh, and of course, I took some awesome photos. But this is for anyone who's been wanting to take that trip, whether it's Colombia or the edge of the world. Don't let fear or the media hold you back. Get out there, experience it, and live to make your own conclusions.
Take a picture.
Todos los vehículos que vengan a todos aquí.